Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add integers. There are two rules in adding integers. First, how to add integers with the same sign. Second, how to add integers with different sign. Let us have first how to add integers with the same sign. The rules in adding integers with the same sign, you just have to add their absolute values, and then after, affix to the sum their common sign. So we have here positive plus positive is equals to positive. Negative plus negative is equals to negative. Okay? So let us have some examples. We have here positive 27 plus 41. Again, positive 27 plus 41. If there is no sign, it is automatic that that number is positive. Okay? So positive 27 plus 41. So as you can see, they have the same sign. Both of the addends are positive. So let us add their absolute values. So we have here 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. Therefore, the answer is 68 or positive 68 since our addends are all positive. Okay? So let's proceed to number 2. So we have here negative 39 plus negative 56. So as you have observed, our addends have the same sign, which is negative. So we will just add their absolute values. Okay? So 9 plus 6 is 15. So we have here 5. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 5 is 9. So the sign of our addends is negative. Let us affix that in our sum. So the answer is negative 95. Okay? Let us have this example. We have positive 79 plus positive 90. So let's add their absolute values. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. So our answer is positive 169 since the sign of our addends are positive. Okay? Next, we have number 4, negative 26 plus negative 13. So let's add the absolute value. 6 plus 3 is 9. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. And then copy the common sign, which is negative. So the answer is negative 39. Next, we have, if there is no sign, that is automatic, that is positive. Positive 42 plus positive 13. So let's add their absolute values. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then we have 4 plus 1 is 5. So the sign of our sum will be positive since our addends are positive. Okay? And lastly, we have negative 11 plus negative 15. So let's add the absolute values. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. So our answer will be negative. Since the sign of our addends is negative, so our sum will be negative also. So negative 11 plus negative 15 is equal to negative 26. Now, let us have adding integers with different sign. The rule in adding integers with different sign is that you are going to subtract their absolute value. And then after, affix to the difference the sign of the addend that has greater absolute value. For you to understand further, let us have some examples. So we have here negative 39 plus positive 27. Again, the rule says subtract their absolute value if they have different sign. Okay, so let's proceed to subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then affix to the difference the sign of the addend that has greater absolute value. So 39 is greater than 27, so the sign of 39 will be affixed here in our difference. So since it's negative, so our answer will be negative. Okay, so we have this another example. So we have negative 57 plus positive 13. So as you observe, our addends have different sign. So we will proceed to subtraction. So we will subtract their absolute value. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And then 5 minus 1 is 4. And then we will look at our addends. The addends that has greater absolute value, its sign will be affixed in our difference. So since negative 57 has the greater absolute value, so we will copy the sign of the negative 57. So our answer will be negative 44. Okay? Next, let us have this example. We have positive 97 plus negative 12. So again, they have different sign. So we will proceed to subtraction. So let's subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. And then let us look at our addends. So the addend that has greater absolute value is positive 97. So we will affix the positive sign in our difference. There. So since the addend that has greater absolute value is 97 and it has positive sign, so the sign of our difference will be positive also. So positive 97 plus negative 12 will be positive 85. Okay? Next, we have another example. Okay, it is understood that this is positive 85, even if there is no plus sign there. So positive 85 plus negative 11. So they have different signs, so we will proceed to subtraction. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then 8 minus 1 is 7. And then let's look at our addends. So 85 has the greater absolute value, which is positive. So we will copy its sign, which is positive. Or it's okay that there is no more positive sign there. It's understood that it is positive. So 85 plus negative 11 is equal to 74. Okay? Next, let's proceed. We have here positive 37 plus negative 12. So, they have different signs, so let's subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then, 37 has the greater absolute value, so we will copy its sign, which is positive. Okay? So, our answer is positive 25. Next, we have negative 479 plus positive 236. Okay, they have different signs, so let's subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And we will look at the addend. The addend that has greater absolute value is negative 479. So we will copy the sign of negative 479, which is negative. Again, adding integers is not difficult. It is very easy as long as you familiarize the rules. First, how to add integers with the same sign. If the integers have the same sign, you just have to add their absolute values. And then after, you're going to affix to the sum their common sign. So if the integers are positive, then automatically their sum will be also positive. If the integers will be negative, then automatically their sum will be negative also. Second rule, how to add integers with different sign. So to add integers with different sign, you just have to subtract their absolute value. And then after, affix to the difference the sign of the addend, which has the greater absolute value. Thank you for watching. Next vlog, we will talk on how to subtract integers. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!